Structural organization in animals. In multicellular organisms, a group of similar cells along with intercellular substances perform a specific function. Such organization is called tissue. Animal tissue is epithelial, connective, muscular, neural. Epithelial tissue. This tissue provides covering or lining for some part of the body. Cells are compactly packed without intercellular space. Epithelial tissue. Simple and compound epithelium. Simple epithelium has three parts: squamous, cuboidal, and columnar. Simple epithelium is composed of single layer of cells and function as lining of body cavities, ducts, and tubes. Compound epithelium consists of two or more than two layers of cells and has protective function. The squamous epithelium is made up of single layer of flattened cells with irregular boundaries. They are present in the lining of blood vessels, air sacs of lungs. Cuboidal epithelium is made up of single-layered cube-like cells and found in ducts of dense and tubular part of nephron of kidney for absorption and secretion. Columnar epitheliums are made up of tall and slender cells. Nuclei are located at base. For free surface may have microvilli found in lining of stomach and intestine. Ciliated ones are called as ciliated epithelium. Columnar and cuboidal epithelium specialized for secretion are known as glandular epithelium, which may be unicellular, as in goblet cells of alimentary canal, or multicellular, as in salivary gland. Endocrine cells secrete enzymes, milk, mucus, saliva, etc. Products are released through ducts. Exocrine gland. Exocrine glands secrete hormones. Products are directly released at target sites through blood. Main function of compound epithelium tissue is to provide protection against chemical and mechanical stress. They cover the dry surface of skin, moist surface of buccal cavity, etc. Epithelial cells are held together by intercellular material to form a specialized junction. Epithelial junctions, tight junctions help to stop leaking. Adhering junctions perform cementing of neighboring cells. Gap junctions facilitate the cells to communicate. Connective tissues. They are most abundant and widely distributed tissues which link and support the other tissues. All connective tissues except blood cells secrete fibers of structural protein called collagen or elastin to provide elasticity and flexibility. Loose connective tissues contain cells and fibers loosely arranged in semi-fluid ground substance. It includes areolar tissue and adipose tissue. Connective tissues, loose, dense, specialized connective tissues. Areolar connective tissue, it contains fibroblasts, macrophages, and mast cells. It acts as support framework for epithelium. Adipose connective tissue, fibroblasts, macrophages, and mast cells are absent. The cells are specialized to store fats beneath the skin. Dense connective tissue contains fibers and fibroblasts compactly packed. Orientation of fibers may be regular or irregular pattern. In dense regular connective tissues, collagen fibers are present in rows between parallel bundles of fibers, as in tendons and ligaments. Tendon connects bone to skeletal muscles. It is made up of white fibrous tissue, tough tissue. Ligament connects one bone to another bone. It's made up of yellow elastic tissue with collagen fiber. Cartilage, bones, and blood are specialized connective tissue. Cartilage are soft skeletal tissue. Chondrocytes are enclosed in small cavities with matrix. They are present in tips of nose or ear between vertebral bones. Bones are hard skeletal tissue. They are rich in calcium, salt, and collagen fibers. They form the skeletal framework of vertebrates like limbs, legs, etc. Blood is fluid connective tissue containing plasma, RBCs, WBCs, and platelets. It helps in transportation of various substances between organs. Muscle tissue. Each muscle is made up of long cylindrical fibers arranged parallel to each other. Fibers are composed of fine fibrils called myofibrils. Myofibrils, muscle fibers contract and relax in response to stimulation. Skeletal. They are known as striated voluntary muscles, multinucleated with light and dark bands. They are attached with bones. They are fibrous and unbranched, cylindrical in shape. Smooth. They are known as unstriated or involuntary muscles. They are uninucleated without bands, present in vessels esophagus, fibrous and unbranched, spindle shaped. Cardiac are known as heart muscles and involuntary in nature, uninucleate with faint light and dark bands, present in wall of heart. are fibrous and branched, cylindrical in shape. Neural tissue. Unit of neural system is neuron. Neuralgial cell protects and supports the neuron. When neuron gets stimulated, electrical impulses are generated that travel along plasma membrane axon. Tissues organize to form organs, which in turn associate to form organ system in multicellular organisms. Earthworm. Earthworm is reddish-brown terrestrial invertebrate that lives in upper layer of moist soil. Common Indian earthworms are Parathema and Lumbricus. Earthworms have long cylindrical body divided into segments called metameres. Ventral surface contains genital pore and dorsal surface contains mid-dorsal line. First body segment is called peristomium, which contain mouth. 14-16 segments are covered by dark band called clitellum. Single genital pore is absent on mid-ventral line of 14 segments. Pair of male genital pore is present on 18 segment on ventrolateral side. All the segments except first, last, and clitellum contain S-shaped setae for locomotion. Alimentary canal is a straight tube from first to last segment having buccal cavity, muscular pharynx, esophagus that leads to gizzards, which help in grinding the soil particles and decaying leaves. Stomach and small intestine leads to anus. Between 26-35 segments, intestine has an internal median fold called typhlosole. This increases the effective area of absorption in the intestine. Closed vascular system consists of heart, blood vessels, and capillaries. Blood glands are present on 4th, 5th, and 6th segments. They produce blood cells and hemoglobin, which is dissolved in blood plasma. Earthworm lacks respiratory organs and respire through moist skin. Excretory organs is called segmental tubules called nephridia. There are 3 types of nephridia: septal, integumentary, and pharyngeal nephridia. Nervous system is represented by ganglia arranged segment-wise on the ventral paired nerve cord. Nerve cord in the anterior region, 3rd and 4th segments, bifurcates and joins the cerebral ganglia dorsally to form a nerve ring. Earthworm is hermaphrodite. 2 pairs of testes is present in 10th and 11th segment. Prostrate and spermatic duct open to surfaces male genital pore on 18th segment. 1 pair of ovaries attached to intersegmental septum of 12th and 3rd segments. Female genital pore open on ventral side of 14th segment. Mutual exchange of sperm takes place during mating. Mature sperms and egg cells along with nutritive materials are deposited and cocoon in the soil where fertilization takes place. Earthworms are known as friends of farmer because they make burrows in soil to make it porous for respiration and root penetration. These are also used for vermicomposting and as bait in game fishing. Cockroach, Periplaneta americana. Cockroaches are nocturnal omnivorous organisms that lives in damp places everywhere. Body of cockroach is segmented and divisible in head, thorax, and abdomen. Body is covered by hard chitinous exoskeleton. Head is triangular in shape, formed by fusion of 6 segments to show flexibility. Head, beard, compound eyes, antenna attached on head, helped in monitoring environment. Thorax consists of 3 parts: prothorax, meso, and metathorax. Forewings and hindwings are attached with thorax. Abdomen consists of 10 segments. Male cockroach. Abdomen is long and narrow. Brood pouch is absent. Male have longer antenna. Anal styles are present. Female cockroach. Abdomen is short and broad. Brood pouch is present. Female have shorter antennae. Anal styles are absent. Digestive system of cockroach. Alimentary canal is divided into foregut, midgut, and hindgut. Food is stored in crop. Gizzard help in grinding the food particles. At the junction of midgut and hindgut, yellow-colored filamentous Malpighian tubules are present which help in excretion. Blood vascular system is open type having poorly developed blood vessels. The hemolymph is made up of colorless plasma and hemocytes. Respiratory system consists of network of trachea which opens through 10 pairs of spiracles on lateral side. Nervous system of cockroach consists of series of fused segmentally arranged ganglia joined by paired 3 ganglia lie in thorax and 6 in the abdomen. Nervous system of cockroach consists of a series of fused segmentally arranged ganglia joined by paired longitudinal connectives on the ventral side. 3 ganglia lie in the thorax and 6 in the abdomen. Nervous system of cockroaches is spread throughout the body. Each compound eye of cockroach consists of about 2000 hexagonal ommatidia. With the help of several ommatidia, a cockroach can receive several images of an object. This kind of vision is known as mosaic vision, with more sensitivity but less resolution. Cockroaches are dioecious. Male reproductive system consists of a pair of testes, one lying on each lateral side and 6 to 4 abdominal segments. The female reproductive system consists of two large ovaries situated in second and sixth abdominal segments. Male reproductive and female reproductive system. Fertilized eggs are encased in capsule called oothecia. 9 to 10 oothecia are produced by each female. Cockroaches are pest and destroys the food, contaminate with smelly excreta. Frog, Rana tigrina. Frogs are cold-blooded organisms having ability to change colors to hide from enemies. Body is divisible into head and trunk. Burst eyes covered by nictitating membrane. Male frog is different from female, having vocal sacs and copulatory pad on first digit of forelimb. Digestive system consists of alimentary canal and digestive glands. Digestion starts in the stomach and final digestion occurs in the small intestine. Digested food is absorbed by villi and microvilli present in inner wall of the small intestine. Skin acts as a aquatic respiratory organs. Cutaneous respiration on land, skin, buccal cavity and lungs acts as respiratory organs. Vascular system of frog is well developed, closed type. Heart is three-chambered. Blood consists of plasma, RBC, WBC and platelets. Frogs have a lymphatic system consist of lymph channels and lymph nodes. Elimination of nitrogenous wastes is carried out by well-developed excretory system. Excretory system consists of a pair of kidneys, ureters, cloaca या cloaca जो भी है, and urinary bladder. Frog excretes urea and thus is a ureotelic animal. System for control and coordination is highly evolved in a frog. It includes both neural system and endocrine glands. Frogs have well organized male and female reproductive systems. Male reproductive organ consists of a pair of yellowish ovoid testes which are found adhered to the upper part of kidneys by mesochorium. The female reproductive organs include a pair of ovaries which are situated near kidneys. Fertilization is external and takes place in water. Development involves a larval stage called tadpole. Tadpole undergoes metamorphosis to form the adult. Reproductive system of frog.